welcome back to No Budget Adventures, and today we're doing the slime mining.
We're mining for sequins
Inside this gooey stuff.
And this is my slime. I put a bunch of glitter in it.
Mine's purple.
Okay, so it's whoever can get the most sequins out. We've got 5 minutes on the clock. On your mark.
Actually a clock.
There's on my phone. Get set, go.
Let's get started.
Oh, Danny got her first one. What is it, a sun?
Yeah.
Well, Bryn, she's already whooping your butt.
Got a big hunk of them. Got some. Sun.
Is hers hard? Oh, hers is so much easier.
2.
Hers is hard. These are the slimes made in the slime prequel, right?
Yes.
What are we gonna
For the
do?
Silhouette Slime Art Challenge, but we haven't done that yet. Because somebody stuck pokey sequins in our slime, so...
Now we gotta mine them all out.
Yep, you do.
I feel like this is a punishment. Oh, I got 2 in one truck. Go!
One check, go. Ow. Ow, that's stabby.
Yeah, when you give it a good squeeze, they can, like, stab you.
A star!
Knew these things weren't a good idea. Should have gotten the little baby ones.
There were...
Are we gonna count them at the end?
Yes, that's how we will know who's won. Although a visual can probably tell us.
2 in one, go! Never mind. A couple in one go.
Bryn's slime appears to be a little more firm than
Hers
Danny's.
must be easier, bro. Mine's so hard.
But
'cause
you
it
have
sticks.
more.
Do you guys want to trade?
Yeah.
Trade.
I got 2 in this
Bryn,
one.
trade
Trade
slimes.
slimes.
Not the plates, not the sequins. Trade the bowls.
What? Come on.
You
gonna-
have
it's
more
gonna-
sequins than me.
It's gonna stick to her. Maybe it's just I'm more of a pro.
that's got to be it. You're more of a pro.
At this game that we made up. You're professional at it.
I play with slime a lot.
3 pieces.
Oh, okay. This is why I picked this gooey one for Danny. Yeah, trade back. Trade back. Because
Here you go.
it's going to be messy.
Uh,
All right, just stick your hands in your slime and it should get that slime off eventually. Okay.
Ow.
Hurry,
Sequins
Bryn, remember we don't have that much time left. Better hurry.
You're at 3 minutes.
Okay.
Right.
It's a sunny
1,
day.
2,
Hey, at least
3.
it's warm out instead of cold, like Pennsylvania weather.
Well, it is Pennsylvania weather, but it's a warm Pennsylvania weather day. 3 minutes and 24 seconds.
I'm getting sequins all over me. A butterfly sequence, and people are riding bikes.
Yep.
And if there's,
It's because it's a beautiful day.
the star sequence.
Dang. Oh.
I got
The butterfly sequins are really pretty.
Yeah, the pink butterfly sequence.
I haven't
2
gotten I
pieces.
haven't gotten a pink butterfly. I've only gotten silver.
I
Ow.
got a lot of butterflies.
Do not try this at home. Sequins are dangerous.
This one is really sharp.
4 minutes.
I got gold.
1 minute left. You guys are in crunch time. Rip it in half, Bryn. Rip the slime in half.
That's just getting glitter out, Mom.
No, it helped her bring a bunch of sequins to the surface.
Okay.
It did. Look at her go now.
And then you see my plate.
And it's destroying my beauty.
Oh, that was really awesome, Bryn.
What?
Like, she like drooled everywhere.
And it's destroying my beauty. Because I look perfect
10,
on this beautiful day.
9, 8,
I just want to get this big
7,
one out, but I can't.
6, 5,
There's a bunch of
4,
sequins.
3, 2,
Mind all the sequins
1.
in this
Hands
slime.
up.
Slime down, hands up.
Wait, I gotta pop it.
Oh, Danny's cheating. Danny's cheating. All right, count your sequins.
I can't count mine.
Yeah, you can try to count yours.
3, 4, 5, 6,
These rocks.
7, 8. Oh, 1,000.
Oh, then she won if she had 1,000.
Bet, bro.
3.
2,000, 9,000, 10,002.
1,000.
Let's look at Bryn's
1,100.
pile.
I got
And
150,000.
zoom out. Danny's pile beside her nasty shoes.
This was already out, and then it was just laying there on the slime.
Okay, who do you think is the winner?
This one was sticky.
Bryn, how many did you count?
1,050, 1,150, 100.
Whew. It's gonna be tough to beat.
The one that I just put in, it was on the plate, and then when I
Oh yeah,
put
well,
the
I
slime
got
down,
38 billion.
What?
5,000, 50,000, a billion,
Yeah, well-
500, 500
Okay, so that is it
And
for
1,500.
mining, for slime mining. No, that is called littering.
No, it's not. It'll make the water pretty.
No, it's not. Birds will eat it. Okay, end your video, ladies.
All right.
I want to kill birds.
Oh no, that's terrible. That we will never do that. Bryn, if you do that, you're out of the videos permanently. Look and say goodbye.
All right. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video and to our channel. And
No Budget Adventures.
No Budget Adventures. And hit that
And
bell.
no daddy in the video, and look at the daddy.
Look at me.
Look at my
Nope.
daddy. Because he's on the road.
Okay, subscribe, like.
Peace, boy.
And if you
Thumbs
want to
up.
click this beautiful looking flower
And end.
and this.